Hello guys, do you know what is this? This is a wireless CarPlay adapter for Toyota. This adapter definitely helps you take full advantage of CarPlay. Android Auto is also supported. Let Siri help you all along the driving road. Mirror link function, watch your favorite videos. Excellent chip ensures the fluency. Enjoy more apps for the ride. Fully compatible with original car. More functions are waiting for you. Compatible with Entune or Touch2 system. These are the wires to connect. That's the size about it. Purchase your wireless CarPlay adapter today.